to create Waze QR code. Follow the instructions. Open Waze app and search your desired destination using the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap the correct result, then tap the three dots or share icon shown next to the location details. Choose Share Place to get the Waze link, then tap Copy to copy the URL to your clipboard. Open any browser and go to a QR code generator site like qrcodegenerator.com or christoph.com. Paste the copied Waze link into the URL field of the QR code generator's main input section. Choose any QR code design options available such as frame, shape, background, or color settings. Tap Generate or Create QR to produce the QR code based on your entered Waze location link. Download the QR code image or screenshot it, then share it easily with others using any platform. Thank you for watching.